and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I.
Hello folks, welcome to Yardie's Kitchen and today's episode of Taste Buds. I am doing a very quick and easy steam fish for you guys today, and it's midweek and we are basically just trying to get over the hump, so it's gonna be really fast, quick, and in a hurry. Welcome to my channel. Before we move any further, I invite you to like, share, subscribe, comment, tell a friend about Yardie TV. Okay, thank you so much. Now let me just show you some of the ingredients that I have here for my steamed fish. I have some carrots, and we had put some carrots in the fridge, and we have some carrots there. We have a Chiyote squash. We have some onions, we have garlic, we have some cilantro, and we have thyme, and some lime. We have lime, yeah, and scallion. All right, so these are just going to be very quick and easy. As I said before, we're just going to cut these up, lay them in the pot, and put the fish on top of them, and we are good to go. Yes. What we have here is some red snapper fish, and I have about 4 fish here. And guys, let me just give you a rundown on our fish. What we do is we buy our fish fresh from the market, and we go through the process of cleaning them up and seasoning them with just salt and black pepper. Then we put them in the freezer. So whenever we have fish, or we have that inkling for fish, we can always just grab some fish, quickly defrost it, and go ahead with the cooking. All right, so that's one of the food hack that I wanted to share with you as we go into this process with this fish. Quickly, as soon as you get your fresh fish, clean them up, gut them, do everything that you have to do, put your salt and your pepper. If you want, you can put even garlic and a little bit of thyme on the inside, of the fish, like such, see? And then you just put it in your freezer, all right? Or you put it away for later use. And that's what we did here, and we are ready to steam our fish. Yeah. And guess what? I'm gonna call this one curry steam fish, because guess what? I want to add some curry to that fish. I tell you the truth. We're gonna add some curry to it and curry it down in a nice rich curry sauce. And I'm not even gonna use Candy, you think I should use coconut? Yes? Alright, I might use some coconut milk. Might be. Between me, I don't know. Alright, so guess what? Steamed fish is coming down. Let me just start with these vegetables now. So now we are getting our pot ready to start our cooking process. We just finished doing our vegetables, and the first thing I want to do is I want to just put some curry powder in my pot, And guys, you have to make sure you check the heat on this. You don't want it to burn. You just want it to start to toast a little bit. All right, so as you can see, it's toasting right now. The stove was a little bit you know, high, so you want it to toast. All right, and if you notice, I immediately took the pot up off the stove, because guess what, you don't want this to burn. All right, and you just move them around. I used about a teaspoon of curry powder, yeah, in a dry pot, and immediately following that, I'm gonna add my coconut oil. I'm using another teaspoon of coconut oil. I'm gonna use a little bit more. I just want to get all the oil incorporated with the curry, make a little slurry like. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, and let me add a little bit more. So I'm using 2 teaspoons, sorry, that are 1 tablespoon of curry powder. All right, and coconut oil is a good oil to use for this purpose, because you really want your vegetables and everything to absorb the flavor. And immediately I'm going in for the carrots and stuff. Don't worry about it, guys. You can put your aromatics in first, but this is steamed fish. All right, so you really and truly just want to get the stuff in the pot. There is no sauteing time or anything like that. All right, and you get in your garlic. Putting in my garlic right now. I'm adding my thyme. Yeah, just creating a little bed, you know, creating a little bed. Beautiful, beautiful. And now you're gonna want to layer in. Well, and I have some more carrots so that you can make sure I put in all my carrots. And my stove is on low. It's, you know, you don't want it to burn or nothing. So put your stove on low, and then you want to layer in your fish. Alright. Yeah, I have one more fish here that I have to find a spot for. Yeah, I should have used a bigger pot, but hey. And the next step is that we're going to start to add our coconut milk. Yeah, remember me tell you. Now your coconut milk can be from whatever source. You know, you want coconut milk from the tree or from the can, or if you want to use the powdered ones, that's all up to you. Yeah, just gonna add in the coconut milk now and make him sit down nicely. Yeah, and trust me guys, this is gonna be awesome. Yeah, everybody got some money in a bigger pot. You know that, right? See? Alright. That's what I plan to do. And guys, you don't want to put too much coconut milk. You just want to put like, let me see, I put half can of coconut milk. So I'll tell you the ounceage in a little while. Yeah. I put 7 ounces. Yes, 7 ounces of coconut milk is in that, or maybe just under a cup, because a cup is 8 ounces. All right, and I have some moringa powder that I'm just gonna sprinkle in. And moringa powder is very good with curry, guys. Very good. Have some onion powder. And I made my own moringa powder, guys. So if you want me to, if you're in the local area and you want me to check out some moringa powder for you, let me know. I work on a pricing for you. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And remember, the fish has been seasoned with salt and pepper already, so we really don't need to put no whole lot more seasoning on it in terms of salt and pepper type of thing. Can I get a scotch bonnet, please? A whole one, so it don't break. I'm putting a little paprika, just a little. And I'm adding a little tip of water, just some water to help thin out the coconut milk. And there's the scotch bonnet pepper. And guys, I'm gonna do a crazy thing, but I want you guys to bear with me. This is ginger tea, alright? Now, if you have had this ginger tea before, it's called Prince of Peace. It is super, super gingery. I'm gonna add some ginger tea crystals. Alright, it's not sweet, it's not super sweet rather, but it's nice and gingery. And if you don't have any ginger, this is a good one to use. Right, see? gotta turn this one. Watch your camera. This one.
Wait.
I'm getting it. And the pepper and the burst. And there you have it, guys. Yeah, alright. Don't move a muscle. See, everything basically cooking, guys. You just want it steamed down nice and proper. Alright, don't move, baby. Keep the camera right there. See? I have some vadele onions here, and because it's the type of onions that I like, I don't really want it to blend out, so, you know. And then just go out with some scallions. How that look?
Excellent.
Over magnificent. We can't end the video here, you know. We don't really have to even show the plating. You want to see the plating, guys? I'm going to clean up and show them what we have to put, where I make with it, this. Show them what
Over here we have ground provision, dumpling. Well, dumpling is not from the ground, of course, but you know what I mean.
It's from the ground.
Dumpling, banana, and yellow yam.
Dumpling, bananas, and yellow yams.
When you boil the yellow yam,
And we slice it into two.
and you slice it up in half. Watch the banana on the top.
Keep some more water on this because I have to make sure so the gravy that it simmer down, you see.
And the nice gummy dumpling. It all goes up the gravy juice.
And then you just want to cover it like a pot and make him doing thing. That's it. Yeah, the next time you see this pot, it shall be the plating. Hallelujah. So another thing that I often do is whenever I get a surplus of okra, I clean them up, wash them, and put them in the freezer. And for such a time as this. So when you know say your pot soon, I mean like my things them cook out, you know, guys. You just want to put in your okra at this stage. That's enough, yes. I mean, you know, you want to hold it for okra, right? You know, you just want to put in your okra at this stage to make your thing come down nice. That's good, right? Hmm?
Yep.
Alright. So okra now. And then cover back pan pot and make everything simmer down. Hallelujah. Glory. Glory.
So there you have it, you guys, our finished dish. And I'm just, you know, randomly garnishing the plate with some cilantro, chopped cilantro. Yeah. It's all in the fish theme, guys, so it works. And I have 2 wedges of lime, as you can see, on either side, because if you squeeze those limes over your fish, it gives it a whole nother vibe. So yeah, this is it, guys, our curried steamed fish, coconut curried steamed fish, served up with 2 dumplings. Of course, you know you have to do. Who eats 1 dumpling? Like, seriously. 2 dumplings, 1 banana, and a piece of yam. And yeah, dinner is served.
So there you have it, guys. My coconut curried steamed fish. Yeah, man, with ground provision. I have some lime wedge and some okra. I feel like I need to go back into the pot because I want more okra on the plate here and more gravy on the plate here. But hey, it look good for the presentation, don't it? I want you to remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to Yardie Belly TV. Remember to watch the videos and share them with your friends and family. I will have the recipe in the description box, and so you can always go back and make reference to that whenever you need, you know, to catch up on your ingredients. This has been an awesome dish. My coconut curried steamed fish. Can't wait to dig in. Who wants some? I have 2 more fish left. Who wants some? who wants some? Hey, remember to comment if you like it in the comment section. This has been Yardie Belly TV. You're watching Taste Buds, and remember to live and laugh, cook and eat. Peace.